The JEETEE 20PC Nonstick Cookware Set aims to be a versatile addition to any kitchen. And it includes a variety of pots and pans for different cooking tasks. This set features a non-stick granite coating. And it is PFOA-free for healthier cooking. The gray color gives it a modern look that can fit well with various kitchen styles. Men and women alike may find this set useful for their daily cooking process. This JEETEE 20PC Nonstick Cookware Set is designed to be compatible with induction cooktops, as well as gas, electric, ceramic, and infrared stoves. The non-stick surface promises easy food release and simple cleaning, which can save time and effort in the kitchen. While the set includes frying pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and a grill pan, some specialized inserts or unique shapes might be missing for very specific apps. The capacity of the different pieces varies to suit different meal sizes. Overall, the JEETEE 20PC Nonstick Cookware Set offers a comprehensive collection for everyday cooking needs. And the non-stick feature is a significant plus for ease of use. However, like many non-stick coatings, its longevity might be an issue with very high heat or improper use with metal spoons or sharp arrows. The JEETEE 20PC Nonstick Cookware Set tries to balance functionality and convenience for home cooks. My wife might appreciate this set for its ease of cleaning. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, induction ready, PFOA-free, versatile set, even heating. Durable coating, healthy cooking, stylish design, good value, many pieces, lids included. Cons: lids may be missing, handles less comfy, few color choices, not for high heat, some find it heavy, may lack some pieces, durability concerns, metal utensil use caution features. Induction compatible, frying, sauce, sauté, grill, PFOA-free material, sleek gray color, durable construction, easy to clean surface. Heats evenly, includes oven gloves. This JEETEE pots and pans set has 20 pieces with a non-stick granite coating. It can be used on induction stoves and includes frying, sauce, sauté, and grill pans. The pots and pans are made without PFOA and come in a sleek gray color. They are built to last, easy to clean, and heat food evenly. The set also comes with oven gloves. This JEETEE 20-piece non-stick pots and pans set offers a lot for the price. With a granite coating that makes cooking and cleaning easy, and it works on induction stoves. It's PFOA-free for healthier cooking and includes many different pieces with lids, making it a versatile set for various cooking tasks with even heating and a stylish gray look. However, some people might find the handles uncomfortable, wish for more color choices, and note that it's not ideal for very high heat. Also, the set may feel a bit heavy to some, might occasionally be missing some pieces, and there are some concerns about how long the non-stick coating will last. So it's advised to be careful when using metal utensils.